We first met Zonda Montgomery last year when she celebrated her 100th birthday at Healthpark.
It was just wonderful. I was overwhelmed by it.
Leading up to the big day, she was having trouble breathing, eating, and feeling fatigued.
The valve became very leaky and her heart started failing.
Blood was going backwards in her heart, back into her lungs, and she was developing something called pulmonary edema because her heart wasn't working efficiently.
The Lee Health Heart Institute team was able to do a minimally invasive procedure called a transcatheter edge-to-edge repair to restore Montgomery's faulty heart valve to normal function.
There's no incisions on this individual's chest. It's essentially like putting in an IV in the groin, into a vein in the groin, sending catheters up to the heart, steering a device on the valve, and restoring the valve to its original function by putting a clip on it so it can function back to its normal state.
More than a year later, Montgomery is still feeling strong and staying active.
Happy birthday to you.
When she visited for a follow-up, the team sung her happy birthday to celebrate her 101st.
Just the fact that they would take a few minutes off of their busy lives, a doctor, imagine, and his staff all came in here and sang to me. Incredible. I was just so honored.
More than a century behind her and a future still to cherish. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.